Namaste TP fam. So here I am with a weekend evening routine. So many of you guys have requested me to do a video on how I spend a day in my life. So in today's video I'll be sharing my simple evening routine that I do mostly in the weekend. My weekdays evening routine are not so simple, so I will come with that routine very soon. So evening routine helps me to unwind and relax. Also, it helps me calm down and prepare myself physically and mentally for bedtime and spend a few minutes each evening doing some jobs for the morning. My weekend evening routine is not very complicated. Weekend evenings are very slow and simple. So after coming back home, I just take a shower, apply some moisturizer and then head towards the kitchen. So today my kitchen sink is in a mess and I need to do the dishes first before I have my herbal tea. I just love having this herbal tea which is from Girnar. It was recommended by one of my patients and I am so grateful to him. It is just so relaxing. You too can give it a try. It is available in Amazon. Link will be mentioned in the description box if you would like to try. I have a lot of indoor plants and Subro takes very good care of the plants. So while having my tea, I just reply to all the missed calls and texts I had. Subro is still working. Meantime, I'll just finish my cooking. So today in dinner, I'm cooking this moong dal and raw banana fry. So for the moong dal, I have soaked this moong dal in the morning before I left for work. It's been few days that I am missing my home a lot, and me and Subro were planning to go home, but the work demands is not making it possible. Subro can still manage with the work from home option, but for me it's not possible. My job cannot be done sitting at home. Sometimes I feel like quitting the job and live a life of a homemaker, which is equally tough, but still I will have my own liberty in terms of taking holidays, leaves, attending all the family functions. But Subro, my parents and my brother motivates me and reminds me of work I am doing. And I'm also thankful to all of you for constantly supporting me even though I am taking a lot of time in posting my videos. Life is busy and it is hard, and if we are making progress and getting a little closer to our goals each day, I would say we are doing a really great job. So dinner is all ready and I have prepared moong dal, some raw banana fry to go with it, little papad and some rice. Dinner time is the best time of our day because we get to chat and share how we spend our day. After dinner, we both help each other in the kitchen. We wind up the kitchen chores and then head towards the bedroom. I try to wash the dishes and clean the gas stove at night itself so that I wake up to a fresh and clean kitchen. For the nighttime skincare, I just moisturize my face with this cream. And also made a habit of reading at least 2 to 3 pages before I go to sleep. Reading a book helps me to calm my mind. So that's it guys for the video. If you would like to see more of such contents in the channel, do jot it down in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. For now, good night, stay fit and stay healthy.